This week on BBQ Brawl, it's all about intro your cue, and I want to introduce you to my 24/7 rub, which is basically like an all-purpose rub. What I like to do is start with salt, as all rubs do. Now, I love this rub because it goes great with everything. Chicken, pork, love it on fish. A lot of rubs don't have herbs, but I love herbs inside of my rub. I just use Italian seasoning, which has like marjoram, some thyme, some oregano inside of it. All right, no rub is complete without sugar. In this case, we have some brown sugar, and we're also gonna add a little bit of white sugar as well. We have some onion powder, and for me, I feel like every rub should have like some form of paprika. In this case, I have some smoked paprika going in. And then here, I have a little bit of chili powder. Now, I love the combination of smoked paprika and chili powder. I feel like paprika gives it a deep, rich color, whereas the chili powder gives it flavor. To me, paprika doesn't have much flavor, but it does have that beautiful deep red color. And all we're gonna do is just kind of mix this up. And you can see the herbs inside of that rub, and that's what I love. You can use this on so many different proteins. In this case, I'm gonna use it on some chicken thighs. Just make sure that your chicken thigh is very, very dry. That way you can get a nice char on the skin, and you can be as liberal with this as you want. The thing about this rub is that it has unbelievable balance. It has a little bit of sweetness to it. It has some smokiness to it with the smoked paprika. And I think the kicker to this rub is the dried herbs that's inside of it. All right, and there you have it. Tune in to more BBQ Brawl for more tips, tricks, and of course, great barbecue.